Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about adding page numbers to your Canva design automatically. Alright, so if you are interested, you want to learn how to add page numbers to your Canva design. Maybe you're working on a book on Canva. Alright, so you are done with the book, but you want to add page numbers to the book and you don't want to have to start doing it manually. Alright, this is a book. As you can see, this is a book that I just worked on for a client of mine. This is a cookbook, and as you can see, it doesn't have any page number at the bottom of it, which is where the page number should be. All right, and I'm done with this book. So if you are in this situation, all right, today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add page numbers to your Canva design automatically without wasting much time. So make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So you are done with your Canva book. Okay, you have formatted it in Canva, your book is ready, but you realized you need to add page number to ensure that the book looks authentic. All right, to ensure that people who get the book, okay, they know that this was edited and done by a serious author or a serious publishing firm, or whoever is watching me right now. All right, so what we are going to first of all have to do is you will have to download this your work. All right, instead of going to text and then start adding it manually one by one, copy and paste, and then you edit, which is how many of the videos on YouTube probably showed you how to do it. But I found a better way that we can work around this. So the first thing you want to do, okay, all right, the first thing you want to do, you have to download your work. Yes, you have to download your work. Download your work from Canva, make sure it's on your system. So how do we download on Canva? All right, so you just click on share. You want to scroll down, you see the download button here. You click on download. All right, you have to download it as a PDF. So I'm going to use PDF print. All right, so because I've already downloaded this, I won't be downloading it again. So once you choose PDF print, you want to click on the download button. All right. So you want to click on the download button and then your download is going to start. All right, so if you check my download, you see that I already have it downloaded. All right, so the file is already on my system. So I'm going to walk you through how to go about adding the page number now. But if you're wondering how I came about this design concept on Canva, because as you can see, this is not Canva Pro, this is Canva free. I have a video on my channel that showed you step by step how to reproduce this kind of cookbook design you are seeing on your screen right now. All right, I have a complete Canva tutorial on how to create exactly what you're seeing on my screen. All right, so if you also want to hire me to help you write your cookbooks, then use the link that I'll be dropping in my description. All right, so let's go into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do after downloading my work, there's a website we're going to visit. All right, the website is called ilovepdf.com. That's the name of the website, ilovepdf.com. So it will also be in the description. So make sure you just click the link on the description to take you to this website. So you are going to see, when you come down on the website, you are going to see page numbers. All right, you're going to see it says add page numbers into PDF with ease. So you want to choose it. All right, so it's going to ask you to select the PDF file. That is why we had to download our Canva work. So you click on select PDF file and then you want to locate your PDF file wherever it is on your system. All right, click on select PDF. So you locate where the book is. So once you open the book on the website, select PDF. All right, so we are going to see the number up here, page number options. All right, so you want to select single page. Okay, then it's going to ask you single page margin should be, just leave the other settings the way it is. So this position is to indicate where you want the number to show. All right, so this place is perfect. Where it is, you can choose to set it in the center, but I believe by the edge here is way perfect. All right, margin should be recommended. Page number should start from 1. So which page do you want to number? So I don't usually like numbering my first page and my second page, okay, because those are my titles. So I usually start numbering from number 3. So if I start increasing this now to 3, so you see that the number starts from here, no longer here. So these are my title page and then my subtitle or second title page, all right, before my copyright page. So this is where my numbering usually starts from my copyright page. That's my own decision. That's where I do my own book editing. So it depends on what you want to do. All right, so we're going to see text insert only page number. All right, make sure you insert, make sure it is only, this is what is selected. All right, so with these settings you are good to go. All you have to do now is just to click on add page numbers, and when you click on add page numbers, the number is going to add automatically, and then you have to just download your work again. All right, so once you do that, your work is going to be downloaded, and then you can see your work. So once you do, your work is going to be downloaded, and then you can see it here. This is the page number 9, 10, 11. So that's how easy it is. This is how easy and so easy it is to add page number to your work on Canva. So I want to know what you think about this. Did you know about it before? Make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget, if you need help creating your cookbooks, you can always reach out to me to help you do that. All right, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. So see you in my next video.